If you want to set a photo for a contact on Google Pixel 10a, we need to open the phone app. On the home page, we can tap on View Contacts in here on the right side of the phone, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner in order to go to the contacts list from there. Choose the contact for which you want to add a photo, and then use this pen icon that we have in the upper right corner. Now we can tap on the current picture that we have in here to make a change. You can use a camera in order to capture a photo right now and then save it for that contact. You can also use the gallery. We can switch to Google Photos, we can switch to monogram and illustrations and so on and so forth. So let's say we're gonna go to gallery and we can choose any of these photos that we have available in here, and then let's tap on done. We can adjust the photo quite easily by moving up and down, and we can zoom in and zoom out as well. And also you can rotate the photo in case you need to. Tap on the choose at the bottom of the screen and then use the save button in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.